It is now day 6. It's getting pretty cold out here right now. It's high of minus 12 degrees Celsius. And I don't have any heat in the shop right now. I don't have any heater. All I have is a solar air heater, but it's super cloudy today, so it's barely running. And other than that, yeah, we're still at $0, but we're still going to go strong. We're trying to make $500 as fast as we can here. Go back into the previous videos and take a look at our previous stuff. But yeah, right now what we're going to do today is hopefully, you see we got these, there's cracks. There's this crack here. We're going to fill that with epoxy today, hopefully. Also, what we're going to do, finish building these legs. And we are also going to be starting some more. We just got to keep going. Starting some more projects here. But anyways, thanks for watching. And please subscribe. It really motivates me when I see all these subscribers and people viewing to keep doing these videos and keep trying to continue with these challenges. So, thank you. Okay, everyone, that's gonna be the end of the video. It has been pretty cold today, so I wasn't able to get done everything that I wanted to, but I still got done finished up those table legs and got some other lumber ready to go for tomorrow, because it's supposed to be a lot warmer tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and tune back in for tomorrow's video. See ya.